How to make $100 a day online in 2022. New, easy, better way to make $100 a day. Genuine and creative ways to make $100 a day online. 1. Paid surveys. Another straightforward online side hustle for you to make easy money is doing paid surveys. Did you know that there are lots of sites out there that offer you to take surveys and then pay you for them? Granted, it's not the most profitable venture, but it's worth giving it a shot since it's so easy and available. If you're worried about the legitimacy of this kind of income, don't be. Paid surveys are perfectly legitimate and they're used by thousands of businesses out there. All you have to do is sign up for free on a paid online survey site and start earning money. But be wary of scam sites that ask you to pay in order to use their surveys. Okay, but how do I know which sites are reliable when it comes to paid surveys? Here's my selection of some of the best sites you can visit to get some extra cash from surveys. All you have to do is sign up for free on a paid online survey site and start earning money. But be wary of scam sites that ask you to pay in order to use their surveys. Swagbooks, and this is arguably the most popular paid survey site in the world. Every time you take a survey, you also earn Swagbook points, which you can later use to redeem gift cards or cash. Swagbooks also offers you other activities such as web searching, playing games, and watching videos. Depending on the survey and the activity you do on Swagbooks, you'll be able to earn between $2 and $50 per survey. Survey Junkie, this is one of the easiest, most straightforward survey sites on the web. It's a free membership site where you can earn up to $50 per survey. Inbox Dollars. The great thing about Inbox Dollars is that it doesn't practice the point system. It works by offering you cash right away through PayPal, but also, if you want, through gift cards. Branded Surveys, one of the most popular surveys and market research platforms that pay people for their opinions. Branded Surveys, one of the most popular surveys and market research platforms that pay people for their opinions. It's a great opportunity to work from home and make money by doing surveys from the comfort of your own home. Join now for free, become a member, and start earning today. LifePoints, another great site for earning extra cash. LifePoints allows you to take surveys and then receive points, which you can then exchange for cash paid through PayPal, donations, or gift cards.